So what does this webhook node actually do? Okay. So in N8N, the webhook node is essentially the entry point. It's what listens for incoming data or whenever your AI agent calls one of your tools. But here's the thing that most people don't realize. This webhook node actually gives you two URLs, the test and the production URL. So the test URL is actually only used when your workflow is inactive. And that means you're still building it. It's not done yet. It's great for testing because it lets you send fake or sample data to N8N, lets you tweak the logic, and also preview a lot of outputs without running the workflow live. Now, once you're done testing though, that URL becomes absolutely useless in production. When you actually turn on your workflow like this, okay, now that URL becomes absolutely useless, right? And it then creates a new URL, which is a production URL, and that's the one your AI agent needs to use for the real calls, okay? So a lot of the times when you think you've got your old Vapi set up and your whole workflow is looking good, but it's not getting called or you're not seeing any executions run, it's because Vapi is knocking on a door that basically isn't open anymore. And so here's how you fix it. You go to N8N, you now go to your production when you're ready, copy your production URL, go back to Vapi, and under messaging, use that production URL here. Okay. Then it'll work and all the executions will run as they should. And of course, you want to make sure that it's active over here. All right. Once that's done, you can trigger a live call from your AI agent and you'll see the workflow run in real time inside N8N by this executions tab right here. So yeah, that's the difference between test and production webhook URLs. And that's how to make sure that Vapi connects to the right one. If this helped you fix your setup, drop a like, subscribe. I'll be dropping more resources like this inside the school community. If you want the full JSON templates or full project files for all the other use cases, scenarios that I've built, they're all inside my school community. I'm going to drop the link below. See you in the next one.